Good morning, good day, and welcome to the industrial capital of Trinidad and Tobago, San Fernando, the southern city. I am Val.
And I'm Eve, welcoming you to our kitchen today,
So that we may share with you our cooking experience.
So we're going to do some flour pulori today. Normally I do the grind dal pulori, but time was against me. So to this flour, I will say a cup and a half flour. I'm going to add a teaspoon of saffron, a teaspoon and a half, yeah, to get nice color, right? Teaspoon of jeera, ground jeera, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, teaspoon salt, and I like to add some seasonings to mine. Fine seasoning, bandania, podina or fine leaf thyme, garlic mixed together, and grind pepper. Well, I'm using my hands, so grind pepper. Mix all that in nicely. Mix and incorporate everything. Nicely incorporated. Some warm water, and you get in there with your hands.
Even in music with the light on thing.
Now you need a soft, nice. This is the kind of consistency you need for your pulori. This is flour pulori, no dal, nothing, just flour. The nice fluffy soft ones that we all like so much. See, that consistency you want. So this will rest for 30 to 45 minutes, and then we'll be ready to fry. Right, so guys, this is how your pulori is supposed to come out, doubled in size. Remember when we need it earlier on, so we're going to fry now. So clean hands, you take up some like this. First you wet your hands, sorry, so it wouldn't stick and you will get a nice round ball. Right, and you drop it in your oil like so. You keep wetting your hands after each one so it wouldn't stick. Now it's supposed to be more oil to cover, but I'm just doing this for, you have to do it really fast because the oil is really hot. Once you start, you just get a rhythm going. Wet and go. Wet and go. Spider web here. Right, so some will be ready more than the others. Some that went in first. You have your greaseproof paper here. I think the oil is a bit too hot, so I need to turn the fire down a bit.